want to find a basic FDC and FDCS. So today problem is in surface integration. Previous line integration is over. Integration method we are in equal process. Surface integration means find out the surface integration given plane, and this is you can select it 3 dimension 3D x axis, y axis, z axis, and first part can be total positive terms. 3 axis 3D you can select this plane. So okay, first given f value, you can select f value and you can find out the unit normal capital N. Next you can find out the del phi. So okay, actual what is surface integration? This is find the formula f dot and ds. Surface integration process. So this is formula of f dot and ds means. So I am selected f dot n ds, nothing but I am selected two limits. One is x limit, one is y limit, and this side f dot n ds I am selecting dx dy by mod of n dot k. Total 3 formulas, but I am selecting limits depending on limits. I am selecting x limits and y limits, and integration with respect to x and y. And next this is formula f dot n ds is equal to double integration f dot n ds nothing but dx dy by mod of n dot k. So first we will find out the capital N. This is unit normal. So step by step. So limits is very important. So evaluate integration f dot n ds where f is given and s is the part of the plane 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 12 located in the first bracket. So first f is solution. F is 18zi minus 12j plus 3yk. Okay. Next this is plane, you can select 5, that is phi is equal to 2x plus 3y plus z minus 12. So you can do it partial derivative with respect to x. Nothing but dou phi by dou x. Partial derivative with respect to x means dou by dou x of this is total term 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 12. Okay. So partial derivative with respect to x. So this is value zeros, constant values. Partial derivative with x means only this term 2 is outside, dou by dou x of x. This is y, this is z, this is total term constant. So partial derivative with respect to x means this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Total answer 2 into 1. This is equal to 2. So phi is equal to selected 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 12. Dou phi by dou x answer 2. Next to dou phi by dou y. What happens means partial derivative with respect to y. So this is constant, this is constant, this is constant. This is 0, 0, 0. This is only 3 outside. So partial derivative with respect to y, this is y now, that is 1. This is equal to 3. Next, dou phi by dou z. Partial derivative with respect to z. So this is constant value, this is constant value, this is constant. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Only 6 into dou phi by dou z of z. Nothing but 6 into 1. Total 6. Dou phi by dou x is complete, dou phi by dou y is complete, dou phi by dou z is complete. So del phi formula. So f is equal to 18zi minus 12j plus 3yk. Next one condition 2x plus 3y plus 6z. So this is formula del phi is equal to I into dou phi by dou x plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z formula. This is del phi formula. So I into dou phi by 2x, what is 2? So plus j into dou phi by dou y 3 plus k into dou phi by dou z 6. So this is substituted in this formula. Del phi is equal to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Total del phi is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So this is del phi method. Next, mod del phi. Mod del phi means under root of I quotient, what is 2? 2 square, 3 square, 6 square. So under root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. 36 plus 4, 40. Total root 49 is equal to 7. Del phi is over, mod del phi is over. Next to capital N value. So this is capital N is equal to unit normal formula del phi by mod del phi. What is del phi? 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. Mod del phi is 7. Okay. N value is complete. First you can find out f dot n. So this is dot product. F value 18zi minus 12j plus 3yk dot 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. So applying the dot product. What is dot product condition? I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1. Remaining comes 0. Nothing but I dot into j, I dot into k 0. J dot into I, j dot into k 0. K dot into I, k dot into j 0. So this is dot product. 1 by 7 is outside. Okay. I dot I1. I quotient 1 is 2. So 2 into 18z. Nothing but 36z. Next to j dot j1. Plus into minus minus. 12 into 3. This is 36. Next to k dot k1. So 3y into 6. Yik y. So this is a f dot n value. F dot n equal to 1 by 7 into 36 z minus 36 plus 18y. So you can common 6. So what happened? 6z minus 6 plus 3y. So in this process I am selecting only x limits and y limits. So this is z is equal to total remove term. So what is process means? In this plain condition is given 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 12. You can selected 6z. So what happened? 6z is equal to 12 minus 2x minus 3y. You can substitute in this place. Because integration is very important. In this question I am selecting integrations with respect to x and y and limits x and y limits, not z limits. So I am not taking z values. This is total term change the xy terms. So given condition 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 12. 6z equal to 12 minus 2x minus 3y, substitute this term. So 6 by 7, 6z means 12 minus 2x minus 3y minus 6 plus 3y. 6z nothing but 12 minus 2x minus 3y. So minus 3y plus 3y cancel. So total f dot n is equal to 6 by 7 into 12 minus 6, 6 minus 2x. This is final f dot n. Total term in x and y. So okay, in this case f dot n equals 6 by 7 into 6 minus 2x. So complete. So this is the process. First given input and you can find out the unit normal n. This is del phi by mod del phi and applying the dot product. So next you can select limits. So ds is equal to dx dy by n dot k mod. So okay, n dot k means what is n? N is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. First n dot k, then dot product k, then means this one 2I plus 3j plus 6k by 7 dot k. So this is dot product, it is selected k quotient, k dot k 1. So 6 into 1 6, this is by 7. So n dot k value 6 by 7. So mod of n dot k means it will select only positive term. In this case, come to the negative term, it will select only positive term. So this is mod of n dot k means 6 by 7. So dx dy by n dot k, what is 6 by 7 complete. This is ds. ds is equal to dx dy by mod of n dot k means 6 by 7. So surface integration f dot n is equal to f dot n what is 6 by 7 into 6 minus 2x into ds what is dx dy by 6 by 7. This is dx dy by 6 by 7. So integration 6 by 7 into 6 minus 2x dx dy into this is fraction 7 by 6. So 6 cancel, 7 cancel. Integration surface integration 6 minus 2x dx dy. So this is integration f dot. Okay. Next we can select this as limits is very important. So integration f dot n ds is equal to integration 6 minus 2x into dx dy. So limits is important. So first, what is given plane? 2x plus 3y plus 6z. Okay, is equal to 12. So this is plane. You can select it in 3 dimensions. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So in this condition 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 12 means x-axis what happened? Y value 0 and z value 0. So only this is 0 plus 0 0. 2x is equal to 12. Nothing but x equal to 6. So this is distance 6 comma 0 comma 0. This is point. This is a point. Next y-axis. Y-axis what is x term 0, z term 0. So 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 4. So this is point value 0 4 0. This is B point. Next in z axis. Z axis what happened? In z axis x value 0, y value 0. 6z equal to 12. Z is equal to 2. So 0 0 2. So this is a plane diagram. So this is a 3D terms, total surface, plane diagram, substitute the y-axis. So you can select a reflection. So I have selected reflection, this part, only this part. This I have selected reflection. Only this part, x-axis and y-axis with respect to this diagram. This is I am selected reflection and selecting the limits, and you can find out the total value, that is a surface integration answer. So this is terms you can select this part, x-axis, y-axis. What is this origin 0? What is distance? So this is 0 to 6. So x limits you can select 0 to 6. Okay, complete. And this is diagram. So I am selecting one strip. This is y strip. What is y strip? Y equal to 0 to this condition. Condition what is 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 12. So in this xy diagram, what happened? Z value is 0. So only 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Y value what is? Y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 2. So y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 2. So this is the y limits. First this is 3D diagram. You can draw the plane and next you can select this part. This part you can select reflection part. This is a reflection plot and limits. This is x-axis direct to 0 to 6. X limits over. Next y limits means you can select this one strip and this is x-axis, that is y value equal to 0. Next this is given condition, you can select the y term. So only this is x y plane, so that is z value 0, total y equal to 12 minus x by 2. So this is the process of limits. So x limits is over. Next to y limits, what is 0 to 12 minus 2x by 2. So this is the limits directly you can substitute in this condition. So integration f dot n ds, this is called x limits 0 to 6, y limits 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3, 6 minus 2x into dy dx. So first I am doing integration with respect to y. So x limit 0 to 6. This is 6 to minus 2x is outside. Only integration term y equal to 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 into 1 into dy into dx. First integration with respect to y. So integration 1 into dy means what is y? Integration x equal to 0 to 6. 6 to minus 2x. What is integration? Integration 1 dy means y limits. Upper limit 12 minus 2x by 3, y limit 0 into dx. So substitute the limit. Upper limit minus y limit. Upper limit this value minus y limit means 0 means 0. So this is equal x limit 0 to 6. 6 to minus 2x into upper limit 12 minus 2x by 3. Lower limit 0. So into dx. So next to 2 is common. 2 is common. So total 4 by 3 integration x equal to 0 to 6. 2 is common means 3 minus x. This side 2 is common means 6 minus x into dx. So 1 by 3 outside, 2 to the 4. So final 4 by 3 integration x equal to 0 to 6. Multiply these two terms. 3 6 are 18 minus 3x minus 6x minus 9x minus 2 minus plus x square. Next we can apply the integration process. 4 by 3 integration 18 is outside. Integration 0 to 6 dx minus 9 is outside, 0 to 6 x into dx plus integration x square dx. So this is 4 by 3 into 18 into integration 1 dx means x, limit 0 to 6 minus integration x dx means x square by 2, limit 0 to 6. Integration x square dx means x cube by 3, 0 to 6 limits. So 4 by 3 total into 18 into upper limit minus lower limit. This side minus 9 by 2 upper limit 6 square means 36 minus 0 square with 0 plus 1 by 3 6 cube 6 into 36 lower limit 0 upper limit minus each term upper limit minus lower limit upper limit minus lower limit upper limit minus lower limit. This is x 6 minus x. This is x square 6 square minus 0 square. This is 6 cube minus 0 cube. So total 4 by 3 18 into 6 minus 9 by 2 into 6 plus 3 1 3 2 2 into 36. So 4 by 3 into 18 6 108. Next to 9 1 18 9 minus 162. This is plus 70. So okay, 72 plus 108. 72 plus 108. 108 72 180 minus 162. So 180 minus 162. This is 8. This is 18. Total 4 by 3 into 18. 3 1 3 6 total 4 6 So this is 24 answer. This is final surface integration. So main important, limits also important, and process. First you can select given f term and also n unit normal. Capital N equal to del phi by mod del phi. You can find out the del phi value and next mod del phi and substitute n value as f dot n. After you can select the limits. That is very important. So this is the final integration f dot n. Integration f dot n ds is equal to 24 value. So this is the process. May for essay type question, surface integration, and line integral also some lengthy problem, that is also essay type questions. So you can first select the formula and step by step process, and limits also very important. In this question I am selected with respect to integration x and y. So that is I am selecting limits, x limits and y limits, given conditions. And after you can substitute the integration formulas, starting the partial derivative formulas, integration formulas step by step. So this is the final answer 24. Okay, bye.